How's it going, guys? First of all, great news. We've got ourselves a GoPro finally, so that's fantastic. We're going to use this for pretty much all of the filming from now on. As you know, the other camera was real shaky and it was huge, so it was a bit of a pain in the ass for me to carry around and talk into. Plus it was pretty awkward to talk into a giant camera compared to a little GoPro. So yeah, just got home and we've got ourselves a nice little gift here from our friends at ANTZ Performance. So we'll open that up, shall we? Alrighty. So ANTZ Performance saw our last video and they reached out and they sent us this, which is a braided lined oil turbo feed. So this comes with all the fittings we need. Comes with a really nice bit of braided line. This is some nice stuff. The only thing about braided line is you got to watch out where it's running, because if braided lines are rubbing against something, it'll eat through it pretty quickly because it's not like the rubber. But braided line is a lot stronger and it looks a hell of a lot better. And in here we should have our filter. Oofed. So look at that. So this, I won't be fitting this today because it's already like 5 o'clock in the afternoon. So this sounds like a Sunday job because, yeah. Righty. Also like to do a quick bit saying that I did do a full video before doing this one. Of driving around with the GoPro, but it was filming at a higher frame rate and my computer can't handle it because it's not the quickest. But anyway, I've dropped it down to 1440 res, shooting at 30 frames a second, so hopefully it's not too noticeable. I know YouTube doesn't really upload that crazy good quality anyway. But yeah, don't forget this Saturday night there is a car meet at Beanley Showgrounds, Barney's. It's on Facebook, check it out. I'll be there, most of the AJ Larkin Garage crew will be there hopefully. There'll be a lot of good cars there, plus a few cars from the channel that haven't actually come onto the channel yet. So yeah, update from the sticker situation. The stickers are still getting designed. I want it to be absolutely mint before we put them out, because obviously it's going to be sticking on people's cars. Haven't sorted out a price for those yet, obviously, but if you see me around, hit me up, see what I can do. But yeah. So yeah, sorry for the quick video. I just was pretty excited about getting the new GoPro for us so that I can do better quality videos for you guys, less shaking and all that, and that package just arrived and I'm super stoked about that. So look forward to uploading and editing all the new footage. We've got a big weekend this weekend. We're also pulling out the rear end of that gold car that we picked up a few videos ago. So we're going to pick that apart this weekend as well. We've got Barney's on after that, and then the turbo feed on the Sunday. So I have a very busy weekend and I hope that you guys will all watch. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. So thanks for watching, like, subscribe, and we'll catch you next time, eh? See ya.